Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video will be all about a nice simple dessert, and the dessert is chocolate mousse. Hope you subscribe to my channel and like the video and turn on the notification bell to always get the next video when I upload. Thank you. Eddie in and out. So to start off the video, we will be melting our chocolate. So right here, as you can see, I have a half cup of dark chocolate, which is 50%, and we will be melting the chocolate in a double boiler. So right here, to start off, we will just, we have a bowl right here, and we have a water already boiling for a double boiler. So we're gonna start off by adding in our bowl. As you can see, you can make sure the bowl fits in the pot, or it doesn't have to fit in, but once it's over the water, over the boiling water, it will melt the chocolate. So you put the bowl over. Be careful, you want to burn the chocolate also if you leave it too long. You just want to melt the chocolate nice and simple. Add in the chocolate. And you just watch it melt over here. Nice and simple, nothing too hard. You can use any chocolate. You could use white chocolate or any type of chocolate. But you can see it's already almost halfway melted away. Take it off the heat. Be careful. And it's good. You just turn off the heat, and it's good. So right here, you can see the chocolate is nicely melted. I know we'll be using it just now. You want to leave it cool down. That's why we melted the chocolate first while we work on our whipped cream to continue our process of making our chocolate mousse. So right here we have our heavy cream. We'll be making fresh whipped cream, not in a can, not broth, but fresh whipped cream. So right here, as you can see, we have 1 cup of heavy cream, and we will be adding it into a mixing bowl. Don't need to do too much. And then we're gonna start the process of making our whipped cream. Whipping our heavy cream by hand. I have a mixer, but I want to try. It's been a while I never made whipped cream by hand, so I want to try. See, it's already firm by whipping it. So we're gonna add in 1/4 of white sugar. Not too much, depends on how much you want, but I'm adding 1/4. Wow. And you can see mixing it by hand is really easier than the machine. You can see it's already ready. You want to over whip it, and it's ready. And right here we have our chocolate already melted and warm. We're gonna add in some. Wow, wonderful. And now you just fold it in lightly and add some more. Fold it in lightly. Just lightly. And just add in. Fold it in. Now just nice and simple, just fold it in. Just fold it in. You wanna, mess up the mousse. It's already perfect. You can see this, in. Wow. Really, you can see the richness and the flavor in it. Wow, you can smell it. Whip it in nicely. You should get all the sides. You don't want to see no white. Just fold it in nicely. Put in a piping bag and put in the cooler to rest, and then you finish it off. So you can see right here our chocolate mousse is ready. Wow, been a while I never did it, but for me it was a great result. As you can see, It came out wonderful. So we're going to be adding some in our piping bag to add in the cooler temperature. Just add some in the bag, add all. So right here we have a fresh strawberry that we'll be using to make our garnish for the plate. So right here I have all my garnish already ready. So I made this one first, and we'll be adding it to the bottom, to the bottom. You can see it's in the bottom. Wow, you see the whole layer in the glass already, looking wonderful. And then we have the second one we'll be adding in. Wow, and looking wonderful already. I'm not even finished yet. Wow. And right here we have our mousse that I put in the refrigerator to get, back in its form. And we will be piping some on. Wow. Wow. Wonderful mousse. Wow. And now for the bigger glass. Not too much. Wow. And then to continue, we have our next garnish we'll be adding. Wow, as you can see, it's almost finished, and you can see the whole plating up. It's looking wonderful. As you can see, I have a mini version and a grown-up version, one for kids, one for grown-up. You can see it's really nice and wonderful. And just to finish off, I have a little bit extra whipped cream. I'll be adding a little bit on top just for color, just a little bit, just to add in an extra color. Wow, and that's just a wonderful homemade dessert. I don't know, this will be a little bit more generous for flavor. Wow. And you can see right here I have my chocolate mousse with some strawberry garnish and just a little bit whipped cream on top. Hope you enjoy, and thank you.